Hey guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. First question. Great video. Thank you. I don't know what video they commented on. I just screenshotted the comment, but thank you. I have a question on Mercari.
Oh, okay.
I list my items and the buyer always pays the shipping. However, recently 2 people contacted me that the post office would not drop the package unless it's paid. The buyer already paid the shipping fee. One person said she had to pay $14 on top of what she already paid for shipping, and the other one was $8 and she paid for shipping. I don't understand why they pay again or if I'm doing something wrong. Did this happen to anyone? Okay, so it's on Mercari. So I've sold things on Mercari before, so I kind of know how their shipping works. It's a little bit different than Poshmark. So with Mercari, you choose the shipping label, you choose the weight of the package. So maybe your default shipping label is set to the incorrect weight. That's really the only thing that I can think of. Yeah, because it's not like you're shipping like out of the country and they have to pay like duties, fees, is that what it's called? Like duties or like custom fees or something. So yeah, it's not that. That's really the only thing that I could think of. Are you weighing your packages before you send them out? Like, I don't know, if you're watching this video, you can comment down below and let me know. Like, it was a bulky package, maybe it was the wrong shipping label. That's really the only thing that I can think of. I don't know why, yeah, I don't know why. Maybe it was in the wrong box. I don't know. All right, next question. I love the Posh and Sip idea. I've been on Poshmark for years, but just do it to try and clean out items I no longer need. Nothing serious. Are the Posh and Sips good for users like me, or are they more for the resellers? So Posh and Sips are great for everyone. Like, even if you're just a buyer on Poshmark, like you don't have to be a seller to go to these. They're great for everyone. I'm actually hosting a Posh and Sip in May in New England. I will have more info down below if you want to come to it. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm so excited. I hosted a couple Posh and Sips last year and they were so much fun. The ticket price is only $15 and that gets you some food. It also gets you a raffle ticket to win some cool prizes, and you also get a Poshmark goodie bag that I have curated myself. Posh and Sips aren't just for resellers, they're for pretty much anyone that wants to go. You don't have to be like an established seller on the app. You don't have to specifically be a reseller. You can just sell things from your own closet. You can be a buyer. You can be not even on the app and like interested in learning more about it. Like, or you can just go if you want to go and meet other people. Like, it's really, there's really no rules. At least my Posh and Sips, there's like no rule. It's not like you have to meet this, and this criteria. Like, it's literally anyone can come. So if you're interested in coming to my Posh and Sip, I will link it down below. Courtney, you totally should, because I know that you live in the area, so you should totally come. All right, next question. Hi, I wonder, can't read. I was wondering if you could touch on editing photos. I have seen other people have cases opened for colors being brighter in photos than in real life. I will admit that I edit my photos to show detail or contrast against the background and try to mention in the description if the photo portrays a color that isn't as bright in real life. But any other advice on this? I don't want to be misleading, but want to show details of the items and have attractive cover photos. Thanks. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with editing your photos. There really isn't. Everything is edited nowadays. If you edit them to the extreme where it completely changes like what the item looks like, then that might be an issue. Like you said, somebody might open a case against you. Too bad you can't open a case against people. Like, you know, like Instagram models that edit their picture. You see them in real life and you're like, you don't really look like that. I'm gonna open a case against you. I'm not shitting on people that edit their photos. I'm not. There's just been a couple instances actually where I've met people that I follow on Instagram. One was actually, what month are we in? It was like right after Christmas. Yeah, I ran into her when I was in Boston and I was like, oh my gosh, your pictures are very, very edited, because she looked like so different. Like it was kind of awkward. As far as editing photos of things that you're gonna sell, make sure it doesn't completely change the item. With my closet, I like to have the cover photo kind of edited. Yeah, I don't really edit the other photos. I just like to have a certain look in my closet. I have like the background whited out and the pictures are a little bit brighter, but it doesn't change like the color of anything. And then when you click on the listing, I have the pictures that aren't edited. So yeah, as long as it's like not drastically changing things, there's nothing wrong with it. You can have up to 8 pictures in a Poshmark listing. So, you know, if you're like brightening up a picture really, really bright to show detail, maybe have the next picture be that picture, but not as bright. Maybe that's a little tip. But yeah, people can open up cases against you if, you know, your pictures aren't accurate. Next question, would I get more sales if I make an Instagram account for promoting my Poshmark? You might not. I think it's definitely worth a try. If you're not on Instagram right now, you're missing out on a whole community of people that could see your closet and potentially want to buy something. It's not like guaranteed 100% to make you more sales, but I say that the chances are pretty good because again, you're reaching an audience that you don't have currently. I don't have an Instagram specifically for Poshmark. I just use my like YouTube Instagram and like post some Poshmark things, but I do promote my Poshmark on there occasionally. So yeah, I don't think it would hurt to create an Instagram. Next question, how many items do you recommend listing in a day? So, truth be told, I do not list items every single day. I do not relist items every single day. That's just how I do my closet. If I were to list every day or relist every day, I would do like at least 5. That's just personally. Like for me, if I go out sourcing, I try to list everything that day. I like to bulk list. Again, I don't, maybe I should try not doing that. Maybe I should try, you know, listing like 5 one day, 5 the next. Maybe I should try that. I don't know. I've just always thought bulk listing was better because I don't like to have things like sitting in a death pile. You guys heard the term death pile? It's like a pile of clothes, you know, that you've sourced that you haven't listed. It's literally like money sitting in a pile. Like I don't like that. I like to have everything listed, so that's why I bulk list. But maybe I'll do like an experiment and try listing, you know, like 5 to 10 items a day or relisting 5 to 10 items a day and see kind of how that works. I think that'd be interesting. Next question, I think this is going to be the last one. Is it true that your listings only show in a party feed one time? So it is pointless to share your listings to a party more than once. I don't know the answer to that. I'm like, maybe, like so many thoughts are going through my head. I would say that is true though, because, okay, so you can go in the Poshmark app, if you go to the shop tab at the bottom and then you go to parties, it'll show you the parties that are coming up. Is it true that your listings only show in a party feed one time? So it is pointless to share your listings to a party more than once. I don't know the answer to that. I'm like, maybe, like so many thoughts are going through my head. I would say that is true though, because, okay, so you can go in the Poshmark app, you go to the shop tab at the bottom and then you go to parties. It'll show you the parties that are coming up. It'll also show you past parties. So I'm gonna go to, okay, so this morning's party was like a trending theme, Zara, Converse, Levi's, and more. And they had 300,656 listings shared to that party. Yeah, I don't know. I thought by looking at that number, I'd be able to figure out if people had shared them more than once. It does seem like a low number, but this party was at 9 o'clock Pacific time and noon Eastern time. So that's kind of like a weird time, you know? You know, a lot of people work during that time. Actually, let's look. Okay, let's do this. Let's look. Okay, see. This one. So last night's 7 o'clock party and 10 o'clock or 7 o'clock Pacific, 10 o'clock Eastern party had 4,137,048 listings shared to it. No, I think, no, stop. Vanessa, stop. I think you're right. I think your listing is only shared once to the party. Yeah, because I don't think Poshmark would allow it to be shared multiple times. That's a good question though. I feel like that's something I want to like email Poshmark about. But I think it's true. I think it would only be one time, because then somebody could just sit there sharing it, you know, constantly, and then it would, I'm gonna say I'm like 90% sure that it only goes one time. But I will email Poshmark and I will update you guys in a future video and let you. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any more, you can comment down below or tweet me or send me a DM on Instagram. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It's KeepinItRad. You'll get a $10 credit. You can use that $10 credit to check out my Poshmark closet and buy something from me. Hey. So yeah, if you use my code, you'll get $10. I also get $10, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.